To make illustrations in Canva, I'm going to come to this great sign here, and I will come to custom size. I want to use the document size 1080 by 1080 pixels, and I'll click on create new design. From here, I'm going to go over to elements here and come into shapes. Let's look at basic shapes. This is the shape I want to use. I'm going to click this one like so, and I would come into position. I'll rotate it to 90, and I will spread this out like this to fill here, and I would also spread this out like this. Now I have this one here. Click out, click back into the shape and duplicate. From here, I'm going to rotate it back to 0, and I'll pull it up and pull it here. Let's just reduce the size of our screen. I'm going to bring this down a bit, and I'll click this color here. Let's go into picking a color. Choose a color of my choice. Yes, I kind of like that color, and let's click on this one here and let's select a different color. Yeah, I think this pretty much works. I would select on both and come into these three dots. I'll go to download selection, and from here I'm going to change the file type into SVG. I want it to be on a transparent background, and I will click on download. Now I have created an illustration that I could always use anytime I want to use this in my design.